What's good, you guys? Rabbi back again here with another video, and it is one of the most awaited videos, unboxing videos, this channel has ever seen so far. What day is it today? June 23rd, 23. Perfect for what I'm about to unbox. A pair of 23s. Let's get it. Without further ado, no delay, I'm going straight to the point. Got my cutter, cutter, and I have secured the package, as you can see in front of me right now, which I am going to dissect. Okay. Alright. It's here. I ain't gonna lie, okay? When I unbox these will be my most expensive, best pair of shoes I have owned as I'm breathing, okay? Oh, imagine drowning in, Alright, it's time. See the insides with me? Okay. Funny story, it's not funny, but these are like 160 Canadian, right? So, I was in class, and I was like on break, I looked at Foot Locker, and this was there. I was like, wow, I have to get these. So then I got these in the middle of a class, and they shipped today. I got these on the 16th, it's the 23rd, quick mass, a week. 1 week, perfect, just in time. And here it is. What is this thing? Okay, we don't need that. Foot Locker, thank you, Foot Locker. This is the return form. Here we go. Alright. Now here it is. I have not seen these yet. I see the Jordan logo reflecting off the camera. Closing my eyes. Putting the box away. We have got my first pair of Jordans in a long time. Size 9.5, Air Jordan 1 mids. You already know the vibes. Okay, do this with me. Drum roll, please. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay, you can't even see anything. I can't see anything either. We're doing this together, okay? And here we have the cleanest pair of sneakers I have ever owned. Golly. What in the... Hello? I present to you the Air Jordan 1 mids. Tropical Twist Igloo. Tropical Ice, Tropical Twist, one of the above. Would you look at that? I own these. That's real. At first I regretted it. I was like, oh, this is a waste of money. I shouldn't have done that. The very next, when I went 6 hours later, sold out everything. And I trust Foot Locker, right? I mean, the other brands, they're cool and all, but Foot Locker is trusted, so are the other stores. Look at that. It smells like fresh food. Look at that. I'm telling you guys, this is gonna be on the low key, okay? I don't want only the true and tried. They'll know this. Everyone else, it's gonna be a surprise. They'll be like, I'm not gonna wear this for the rest of school, right? Next year, first day of school, walk in. Oh, hey, looks down. Man, if I wasn't short, I would be I'm kidding. Who cares about girls when you got drip? Kicks. I had never seen drip like this. Hey. I'm about to freestyle right now. Hey. 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 Yeah. Hey. I mean, yeah, I take my pick. 1 shot, 2 shot, 2 kicks. Oh, wait. This is, disregard that freestyle. This is the thumbnail. Boom, you got that? Wait, get the box out of the way. I'm sorry, this is very delicate. Careful. Oh, other arm. Boom, that's selling. Why am I acting like this? That's game. And break. Wait, do that again.